Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the files you need. Open 2 or more tabs. Click the Split Editor icon at the top right of the editor or right-click a tab and choose Split Right. Once done, you'll see 2 panes. This is the basic side-by-side layout. If you prefer keyboard control, press Ctrl plus / CMD plus / on Mac to split immediately. Make sure the editor focus is on the file you want duplicated or moved before splitting so the panes populate correctly. Now you'll arrange your workspace for productivity. Drag any tab into the opposite pane to move that file, or right-click and choose Move Editor into Next Group. Use View Editor Layout to pick 2 columns, 3 columns, or rows if you need different layouts. Once arranged, use Ctrl plus +1, Ctrl plus +2, CMD on Mac, to switch focus between panes. This keeps your hands on the keyboard, while you reposition files and maintain a predictable finish by fine-tuning sizes and closing what you don't need. Drag the central divider to resize panes, or double-click a tab to maximize then restore. Make sure both panes show the files you expect. If you need to close a group, use the Group Close icon in the top right of that editor group. If a split vanishes or a file won't move, reopen the file or select View Editor Layout and pick a layout to reset. This resolves most layout hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.